him to do. He was henpecked, but he was a good guy. And before they go out on Saturday nights, he'd take a shower, and my mom would always lay out his clothes for him. And like a dutiful husband, he'd always wear whatever she told. So this was the late 70s. I was about 11. I was a little bit of a, you-know-what disturber. And so I wanted to see how tough he'd be if he'd actually have some, cojones. So I laid out the worst outfit I could find on his bed. I had white shoes, I had a pink shirt, I had brown pants. Didn't match it all. I wanted to see what would happen. I thought for sure he'd just roll with the punches and wear it. All I heard upstairs was, "There's no GD way I'm going to wear that. No way." My mom screaming, "What are you talking about?" And they're screaming back and forth, and finally comes downstairs with the clothes and says, "This, I'm not wearing this outfit." And she said, "I didn't lay that out." And then he looked at me, and he knew who caused it.
All right, man. Thanks, Steve. Hang on. Let's decide quick here. The guy who's dead, I would say Jay in Oakville, Dad taught him how to grow weed.
Okay.
That's pretty sweet, Dad.
And I say the second last caller there, the guy with
Josh in Burlington?
with the ugly Sasquatch mother-in-law.
Yeah, because he's got a lot of hate in his heart. Yeah, you guys both win. Congratulations. We'll see you Father's Day at the Jays game. Jays Orioles Father's Day private suite. You'll get food, beverages all included. Thanks for calling, guys. We really appreciate it. Stephen Brunt talking Arizona Stanley Cup Finals. We have a chance. Jonathan Papelbon next. Sportsnet 590 The Fan.
Trending now on Sportsnet 590 The Fan. The Jays win Series games. The Blackhawks bounce back against eBay, and the Seahawks still haven't worked out a new deal with